is Darsha and welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to another vlog. Now I'm vlogging after a really long time. Last time I vlogged was the Diwali and it's already not up and I need to get that up before this vlog definitely. But yeah, talking about this vlog, so as you can see, I just woke up right now. I just woke up and I just started this vlog because I want to share something with you guys that I'll be doing in the end of the vlog. Here I am with my first vlog, college life vlog, and I'm really excited for today also. And today is going to be the next week of my online offline classes. मेरी classes offline start हो गए हैं. Before it was online, so कुछ online चल रहा था and now it's offline. So yes, I do go to campus for studying and like it's a really good university, you know, and it's 9 a.m. right now. My classes are from 11 a.m. today and I have to reach by 10:30 a.m. because I have to get my some scooty documents. So we need that sticker thing in front of that scooty ताकि scooty campus में खड़ी हो सके. So I have to go and get that done today. So yeah, that's really important. And other than that I have to also do my assignment and assignment उसमें करने में ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. So I'll be doing it today in the campus जब मुझे break मिलेगा. So after the first class there is 1 hour का gap and then there is that class जिसके लिए मुझे assignment वो चाहिए. So I'll be making the assignment in that break. And yeah, right now I'm just going to get up and so it's a really good sunny day. So yeah, let me go and once I'm done with like bath and everything, I'll be right back. Also, I want to show you my room. This is not my room, this is my sister's room. So I'm sleeping over here. You something in the vlog, right? Why I'm sleeping here, why I've shifted upstairs again, so I will tell you. So I'm back and this is what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing this turtleneck black top and these pants. Maybe I would be changing the top because I'm feeling like wearing this chikankari kurta. Like I don't know what I want to do, but yeah, this is the outfit for right now. I'm gonna do my makeup and let me do it and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the makeup look looks like. I'm all ready and everything is done, just my hairstyle and jewelries are left. And before doing that, I'm going to go and do my breakfast because mama bula rahi hai. So I need to go there and do my breakfast as soon as I can. And it's 10 right now and I have to leave by 10:30, so I have acha khala time. So yes, let's go. Also, I have put my phone on the charging. Always do that before leaving for campus. So yeah. So I'm all ready to leave for my campus and this is what I'm wearing. I'm not changing into anything else and the clip is not clear because of the mirror. The mirror is a bit old, so yeah. Parked my scooty over here. लोगों को पता है मैं आज का व्लॉग बना रहा हूँ आज को हैं YouTube पे डालने के लिए. पक्का आओ फिर. कर ही रही थी ना. हाँ, मेरा तब से चालू था ये. क्या किए थे? गाइस पीछे देखो, हम लोग किधर चल रहे हैं लेकिन
गाना लगा देते हैं.
सनसेट बहुत सुंदर है यहाँ पे यार. कहाँ रखूँ
मुझसे कम ब्रो.
सनसेट का टाइम लैप्स
इस पे दिखाओ ना जो भाई.
मुझे भी टाइम लैप्स वाला दे देना, ठीक है?
नहीं देना, पैसा लगेगा.
अपन पैसा लेगा. तुम आइडिया का पैसा लोगी ना? मैं पोस्ट करने का पैसा लूंगा.
I love this compliment. गाड़ी की आरसी है देख। हम इधर से जाते ये कूदती, हम नहीं उठते तुम।
अब है तो दिखाऊंगी ना।
यहीं से उठता
अच्छे से उसमें आ रहा है
अच्छे से।
यार ये बहुत सब खराब कर रही है। इसी का पैर आ रहा है सिर्फ बार बार। इसको ऊपर बैठाओ, ऊपर बैठ, ऊपर बैठ। घर चले
नहीं, तुम यहीं पे लौटाएंगे अभी।
अपनी दी।
Hi guys, so I'm back at home. As you can see, I've removed my makeup and changed into my favorite night suit, and now I'm feeling like to do something in skincare, not a scrub, not face mask. I'm meaning to do like a sheet mask for a really long time, so let's do it for this vlog. So I'm gonna use the one that I got from Nykaa. I've mentioned in that video that I will be sharing the review of that sheet mask in any of my vlog, and I'm gonna use the sheet mask and review it for you guys. So I think, yeah, we shall go now. So this is the sheet mask that I'll be trying out today from Miss Claire, and this is their rose and sandalwood sheet mask. I got this from Nykaa. I've done a challenge video where I picked up the cheapest products from Nykaa, and I picked the cheapest product from Miss Claire from there. So this is the sheet mask, and if you haven't watched that video, that was a very exciting and a very good video. I would recommend everyone to watch that video, because अगर आप नायका से कुछ खरीद रहे हो ना, तो ये चीज़ें आप ज़रूर खरीदो, because they are very good. So I will recommend you to watch that video. I will link it down below for you guys. थोड़ा सा लेंदी है बट बहुत सही वीडियो है. So go and watch that video after this video actually. And yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where are the eyes and where the nose. So this is what the mask looks like, and I'm just gonna put it on my clean clear face. Don't put it on a dirty face, because आपको क्लीन फेस पे ही शीट मास्क एंड फेस मास्क वगैरह लगाना चाहिए. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड, and just place the sheet mask in a proper manner on your face, and use the excess serum. Don't wash it off. Use the excess serum on your hands and legs, on your neck, and I will keep the sheet mask for 10 to 15 minutes, and 10 to 15 minutes हो गए actually में, and I'm just going to remove it. The satisfaction after removing a sheet mask is just so good. फेस मास्क से एंड शीट मास्क में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. सो इफ़ यू हैवंट यूज अ शीट मास्क येट, गो एंड गिव इट अ ट्राई. इट्स एन अमेजिंग, एंड लुक एट माई स्किन glowing and loving my skin, shining and everything. So I'm done with my sheet mask, and my skin is looking really refreshing, and this skin is feeling very relaxed. And I've also applied a lip balm, actually Vaseline. I have it just right here. And yeah, now it's time to finally talk. Also, braids. So basically I want to talk about content creation plus my studies. So आप सबको अब पता है कि मेरी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई. जब तक ऑनलाइन थी, इट वॉज मच मोर ईजियर फॉर मी टू शूट वीडियोज़ एंड एडिट एंड अपलोड दैम, बिकॉज घर पे बैठे मैं क्लासेस करती थी. सो इट वॉज वेरी ईजी फॉर मी टू स्टडी एंड work at the same time. And now as it's offline, so I'm daily going to campus, because I can't miss any of the sessions. अभी तक तो मिस नहीं किए, मे बी वीक्स में एक दो मिस हो जाए, बट I don't want to do it, like I don't want to miss any of the sessions. And yeah, I go to college every single day, and I daily post my college outfit stories on Instagram. So do follow me over there for college outfit inspos, and so do follow me on Instagram for that. And talking about what I wanted to say, so actually I'm trying to just cope up with both the things. Like I want to study plus I want to do the content creation, because this, like YouTube and Instagram, made me do a lot of things. I know myself now. Earlier I was not knowing myself. जो भी society ने कहा, I was like, okay, this is what like my fault. ये मुझ में कमी है, ये सब. And now like I feel enough confident. I have so much of confidence. Like if someone gives me a topic and to say on like a stage, I can directly speak over there. I will not feel shy in speaking anything on stage. So that's the plus point about YouTube and Instagram. Like everything has changed for me. I know myself better, and I know what are the things that I'm not good at. I'm trying to be perfect at everything. Practice makes a man perfect actually. So yeah, I want to give my YouTube time, so it will take a bit time for me to just figure out how I will be doing studies, plus how I'll be doing all my assignments, plus how I'll be doing all the shoots and edits. So it will take a bit time, but I'm regular on Instagram. I've not posted a lot of videos on in the November month, like अभी नवंबर ही चल रहा है, so मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस नहीं अपलोड किए हैं यूट्यूब पे. इवन दी दिवाली व्लॉग अभी तक मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया है. एंड देयर इज़ वन मोर व्लॉग, आई थिंक दैट इज़ दी करवा चौथ व्लॉग. वो तो अक्टूबर का है, वो भी मैंने अभी तक एडिट करके अपलोड नहीं किया है. सो मे बी मैं सब ना ये दिसंबर में सब अपलोड करूँगा. सो या आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू figure out everything. I am trying to do everything in a proper manner, and I won't be doing the birthmark series for this year because I can't upload 25 videos in a month. वो भी तब जब सब कुछ एकदम mess up है. I can't promise those things with you guys that I can't do. So I will not do the birthmark series for this year, but for 2022 I'll be doing the birthmark series for sure because I love doing the birthmark series. Figure out everything by before my birthday, and now the next thing that I want to talk about is my room series. Of you who have watched my room series on YouTube, आपको पता होगा कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. So I have been doing like room series for about a month, and I have uploaded 4 or 5 videos of room series, and everything was going really fine and बहुत सब कुछ स्मूथली चल रहा था till my college opened, and everything got messed up actually, but I'm enjoying my college life. Okay, so I was talking about my room series. So I have stopped doing the room series. I will not continue doing that because my elder sister is back home from Bangalore. She is here and with both her baby girls, and yeah, I have 2 nieces. सो वो दोनों बहुत छोटी हैं अभी. एंड यू नो लाइक जब घर में बच्चे होते हैं तो सामान इधर उधर फैला रहता है. एंड मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत स्लीपी रहती हूँ कॉलेज आने के बाद. एंड देन आई डू माई असाइनमेंट्स, आई शूट एंड एडिट वीडियोज़, एंड उस पर भी अब फिर मैं सामान सब अपना रूम क्लीन करने में लग जाऊँ तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा मुझे. सो आई क्लीन माई रूम एवरी मॉर्निंग, बट घर आने के बाद आई जस्ट डू माई होमवर्क्स एंड लाइक माई शूट्स एंड एडिट्स वगैरह. आई डोंट डू एनी अदर वर्क. आई ट्राई टू हेल्प एवरीवन इन माई हाउस, बट मैं अभी ऊपर शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ. सो ऐसे ही नवंबर एंड दिसंबर लास्ट ईयर में मैं ऊपर शिफ्ट हो गई थी बिकॉज उस टाइम भी दोनों बच्चे थे घर पे, तो मैं ऊपर ही शिफ्ट हो गई थी. एंड इस बार भी मैं ऊपर डायरेक्ट शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ. तो मैंने अपने सिस्टर का रूम ले लिया है एंड मैं यहीं पे सोती हूँ एंड आई डू ऑल माई असाइनमेंट्स. सो ये लाइक दिस इज़ लाइक अ नॉर्मल रूम. दिस इज़ नॉट डेकोरेटेड. दिस इज़ लाइक जस्ट एक बेड पड़ा हुआ है, टेबल है स्टडी के लिए, एंड this is just like a normal room. Do a room tour very soon, but not this year. Maybe in 2022 I'll be doing the room tour video and the vanity tour video, and I'll be doing a vlog. Like एक ही दिन का vlog रहेगा and I'll be transforming my whole room. I will not take 1 week का time or 1 month का time. I will take a gap from my college and I will do my whole room and just finish everything. And that was about my room series, and that's it what I wanted to talk to you guys. I wanted to talk to you about my life updates plus my room series, and yeah, that's it. And yeah guys, that's it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this college day vlog, and if you want me to make such more vlogs and और मेरे college फ्रेंड्स को देखना चाहते हो, so let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new video very soon, and till then stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.